Good morning friends. This is the second lecture and in the previous lecture we have discussed about the definition of halogen derivative and their classification. Now in today's lecture we will discuss the detail about the monohalogen derivative, that is its definition, its classification and examples. So let us start with the monohalogen derivative. Now we know that the definition of this compound is that the compound which contains a single halogen atom, the compound containing only one or single halogen atom is known as a monohalogen derivative, and we can write the example called the CH3Br or CH3CH2Br. These are the examples for the monohalogen derivative. Why these are the examples? Because they contain only a single halogen atoms. Now the classification of this monohalogen derivative. This monohalogen derivative are classified classification of monohalogen derivative. Monohalogen derivative are classified according to the nature or hybridization of carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached. यहाँ जो क्लासिफिकेशन रहेगा मोनोहैलोजन डेरिवेटिव का वो एक ही एस्पेक्ट पे बेस्ड है, and that aspect is that according to the nature or the hybridization of carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached. अब हम पहले ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि which type of hybridization of carbon atom present in case of the halogen derivative. Now see the first. The carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, or it is sp2 hybridized, or it is sp hybridized. If the carbon atom is singly bonded with each other, अगर वो singly bonded है तो वहाँ कैसे रहेगा? Carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. If the carbon atom is joined by the double bond, then we can say that carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. And if the carbon atom is joined by the triple bond, then we can say that carbon atom is sp hybridized. And again remember one thing, that if the carbon atom is present in aromatic ring में अगर present है तो that carbon atom is again a sp2 hybridized. So we have to remember this, where the carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, sp2 hybridized, sp hybridized, and in case of the aromatic it is again a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So according to that we have to discuss the definition or classification of the monohalogen derivative. According to this aspect, the monohalogen derivative are classified into these types. One is called the haloalkanes. Second is said to be the allylic halides. Third is called the vinylic or vinyl halide. Fourth one is called the benzylic halide. Next is called that is haloalkyne, and last one is called the haloarenes. So these are the types of the monohalogen derivative according to this. Now see the first, haloalkanes. Now we discuss one by one the definition and example of each type. Haloalkanes. In case of the haloalkanes, we will discuss the definition and example here of each type. Now see here. That is haloalkanes. If the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, if the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, in such case that is said to be the haloalkanes, and hence the example for that is called CH3Br or CH3CH2Br. this is nothing but these are the example for the haloalkanes, because if it is a aliphatic hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon, in that case we know that the carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, and if carbon atom is sp3 hybridized और उस कार्बन एटम को अगर हैलोजन एटम अटैच है तो वी कैन से दैट इज नथिंग बट इट इज कॉल्ड हैलोअल्केन्स. ये रहेगा हैलोअल्केन्स. These haloalkanes are further classified into three types. One is called a primary alkyl halide, second is called a secondary alkyl halide, and third is called a tertiary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide represented by 1 degree, secondary represented by 2 degree, and tertiary represented by 3 degree. We will discuss the example for that. The example is CH3Br. This is the example for the primary alkyl halide. क्यों रहेगा प्राइमरी? क्योंकि ये जो कार्बन एटम है दैट इज अ प्राइमरी कार्बन एटम. सी अनदर एग्जांपल. वी आर डिस्कसिंग द एग्जांपल फॉर द प्राइमरी alkyl halide, CH3CH2Br. Again this is the example for the primary alkyl halide. Now see here, this is what is this primary carbon atom. Carbon atom, if only one carbon atom present in the compound, that is called a primary carbon atom. And if the carbon atom is attached to only single carbon atom, that is said to be the which primary carbon atom, that is called a primary carbon atom. In both the cases this two carbon atom जिसको मैंने स्टार से रिप्रेजेंट किया है वो कैसा है? प्राइमरी कार्बन एटम है. And in both the cases the halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom, hence it is said to be the primary alkyl halide, and it is represented by the 1 degree. Second is called the secondary alkyl halide. सेकंड का देखेंगे, सेकेंडरी alkyl halide का एग्जांपल देखेंगे. CH3 CH CH3 and this is Br. See here, the compound contains 3 carbon atom, but which is important? Always remember that in case of the halogen derivative, that carbon atom is important to which the halogen atom is attached, and hence among these 3 carbon atom, this central carbon atom is an important one which is represented by this star, because to that carbon atom halogen atom is attached. और ये जो कार्बन एटम है ये कैसा है? इज अ सेकेंडरी कार्बन एटम. Why it is a secondary carbon atom? Because this carbon atom is joined to 2 carbon atoms. Hence it is called a secondary carbon atom. And ऐसे carbon atom को अगर halogen atom attach है तो we can say that this is nothing but the example for the secondary alkyl halide, and it is represented by 2 degree. Third is called the tertiary carbon atom. Sorry, tertiary alkyl halide. ये जो टर्शरी का एग्जांपल रहेगा वो लाइक दिस रहेगा, CH3 and this is a Br. Now see that 4 carbon atoms are there, but this carbon atom is important क्योंकि ये कार्बन एटम को हाइड्रोजन एटम अटैच है, और ये कार्बन एटम कैसा है? इट जॉइंड टू 3 कार्बन एटम, हेंस इट इज सेड टू बी द टर्शरी कार्बन एटम. इट इज कॉल्ड अ टर्शरी कार्बन एटम. एंड ऐसे कार्बन एटम को अगर हाइड्रोजन एटम अटैच है तो वी कैन से दैट इट इज अ टर्शरी alkyl halide, and it is denoted by 3 degree. So this is the haloalkanes and its classification. Next type is called the allylic halides. Now see the definition of allylic halides. If the halogen atom is attached to the carbon sp3 hybridized carbon atom. See here, in allylic halides, if the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but condition क्या है? Which is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Which is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. अगर ऐसा होगा तो we can say that is nothing but it is called the allylic halides. For example, CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2, single bond Br. Again this carbon atom is important क्योंकि इसके ऊपर हाइड्रोजन एटम अटैच है. ये सैचुरेटेड होने की वजह से ये कैसा है? इट इज अ sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन एटम, लेकिन ये कैसा है? नेक्स्ट टू द कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड द allylic halides. Next, vinylic halide or vinyl halide. In case of the vinyl halide, if the halogen atom is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, यहाँ कैसे दिया है कि कार्बन एटम शुड बी halogen atom should be attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. For example, CH2 double bond CH single bond Br, ये जो है ये कार्बन एटम इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये कार्बन एटम को हैलोजन एटम अटैच है और ये कार्बन एटम कैसा है, डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन एटम है. वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दैट इफ द कार्बन एटम हैविंग द डबल बॉन्ड दैट कार्बन एटम इज sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड, और ऐसे sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन एटम को अगर हैलोजन एटम अटैच है तो दैट इज सेड टू बी द विनिल हैलाइड, दैट इज सेड टू बी द विनिल हैलाइड. नेक्स्ट इज कॉल्ड द बेंजीलिक हैलाइड. Next type is called the benzenic halide. See if the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but which is next to the aromatic ring. See condition क्या है कि हमारा halogen atom sp3 hybridized carbon atom को ही अटैच होना चाहिए, लेकिन वो कार्बन एटम कहाँ अटैच होना चाहिए, डायरेक्टली aromatic ring को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज CH2Br. यहाँ कैसे होगा, दैट ब्रोमीन और हैलोजन एटम इज अटैच्ड टू दिस कार्बन एटम, दिस कार्बन एटम इज sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड, और ये कैसा है, डायरेक्टली अटैच्ड टू द बेंजीन रिंग. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दैट दिस इज कॉल्ड द बेंजीलिक हैलाइड. दिस इज नथिंग बट दिस इज कॉल्ड द बेंजीलिक हैलाइड. नेक्स्ट टाइप इज कॉल्ड द हैलोअल्काइन्स. इफ द हैलोजन एटम इज अटैच्ड टू द sp हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन एटम, अगर sp हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन एटम को अगर हैलोजन एटम अटैच है तो वी कैन से दैट दैट इज कॉल्ड द हैलोअल्काइन. एग्जांपल इज CH triple bond C single bond Br. Here this carbon atom is important to which the halogen atom is attached, and this carbon atom is triply bonded with this carbon atom, means it is sp hybridized. ये कैसा है, sp hybridized है. अगर ऐसे sp hybridized कार्बन एटम को हैलोजन एटम अटैच है तो दैट इज said to be the haloalkynes, that is called the haloalkynes. And last is said to be the haloarenes. If the halogen atom is directly attached to the benzene ring, if the halogen atom is directly attached to the benzene ring, यानी we can say that here again the carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. क्योंकि aromatic ring में कार्बन कैसा होता है, sp2 hybridized. तो अगर ऐसे डायरेक्टली अटैच होगा तो we can say that that is nothing but it is called the haloarenes. So these are the classification for the monohalogen derivative according to the nature and hybridization of carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached. So this is all about the monohalogen derivative. My dear friends, in the next lecture we will discuss about the nomenclature of this halogen derivative. Thank you.